Hi there, my name is Barbara Template, and I'm here with another video about Canva. I bring videos about how to use Canva for your business, how to work with Canva, some new features and tips and hacks about Canva. So what I'm going to show you today is a new feature, fade in, fade out effect of your audio. It's a great feature, many people were looking forward to it, and now you can make your videos even better with fade out or fade in audio. So how to do it? Let's start. I'm just going to share my screen and go to my Canva. Okay, there we go. So here I could prepared a short video. Yeah, there's a video which I've cut to about 30 seconds. So now to this video, pardon me, we're going to add an audio. Alright, so let's choose some audio. Let's go for this one, for example. Yeah, so as you can see now, the second line is audio. There's more things you can do, or how you can adjust your audio, but today we're going to I'm going to show you only how to do this fade in fade out effect. It's pretty easy. You can do it, anyone can do it. It's very easy. So what you do, you just click on these three dots. Yeah, when you go with your mouse over this audio line, you click on three dots, and here you've got audio effects. As you can see, the three lines. So you click on the audio effects, and here you've got already fade in, fade out options. So you can adjust it to your needs up to 5 seconds, yeah, fade in or fade out. That's it, yeah. So let's go for fade in. And now, as you can see over here at the beginning, there is like, it's not really, it's not that visible, but there is this kind of a triangle, yeah, shown. So it shows that you've got the fade in effect there. If you want to fade out, yeah, let's go to fade out. As you can see, we've got a triangle at the end of the audio. Okay, and that's it. So you can improve your videos with this effect. Something people were looking forward to, something you were able to do on your mobile but not in Canva. Now it's possible. Great effect, and try it today. And I'll see you next time with another video tip or hack how to do something in Canva. That's all for today. Have an amazing day, and subscribe so more people can see me and YouTube can push these videos. Bye bye.